Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY video, we are going to take a Dollar Tree dollhouse and turn it into this gingerbread Christmas house. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post new videos every week. Now let's get on with today's project. So for this DIY, we're going to take two of the Dollar Tree dollhouses. You can find them obviously in the toy section of the Dollar Tree. This is actually a fairly easy project. It looks complicated, but it really isn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some white acrylic paint, some brown, and a fawn colored acrylic paint. And I'm going to mix those two browns to make a lighter beige color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the foam brushes and paint the roof the brown color. And the white part, I'm just going to give it a little of the white paint so it can match the overall matte look that I'm going for. So let's start the painting process. So now that both of the pieces are painted and dried, I'm going to hot glue both of these together. Now, I didn't pop out the windows. You can pop out the windows on the house to make it easier to paint. I just used a very small paintbrush to do it because I want it to be quicker. So these two houses, you can snap them together on the sides, but to make them secure, I'm going to attach them with hot glue. So let's finish this part. So now that the house is hot glued, I'm going to take the Tulip Puffy paint. You can get it at any craft store. And I'm going to use this to make all of the details that I want on the house to give it that icing look that you use to decorate gingerbread cookies. So this is actually, I guess, the most time consuming part to do the details, but this is my favorite part. So let's continue. So now that I did all the icing decorations, the puffy paint is still wet. So I'm going to take some very fine glitter and I'm going to pour it all over the paint. This way it gives the house a little shimmer. Once we're done with this part, the house will be ready to display. And now this project is done. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.